Yes, guys, hope you guys are well. Guys, we are looking at the best platforms, websites to sell digital products online today, guys. So, guys, without further ado, let's get into this. But, guys, like I keep saying, if you do like videos on digital products, passive income, and how to sell and create digital products, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll get those videos to you ASAP, guys. Check out my playlist too. So anyways, let's get into this. So look, I'm on the, if you like, one of the best marketplaces out there. I'm going to give you a few really cool marketplaces that you could actually sell digital products. But look, let me just say something. People do produce sometimes websites, their own websites, and try to sell their digital products on websites of their own, and that can be really difficult, guys, because look, as you know, it's about traffic. So trying to get traffic to your website is really hard, especially if you're starting out and you're not established. So to actually get something to your place is difficult. It's always best to try and sell your products, digital products, on marketplaces. And so the best marketplace out there right now to sell digital products is probably Etsy, right? Which you can see on my screen. Now Etsy, look, Etsy has like probably about 500 million visitors, right, on a monthly basis that come and check out their website. So the marketplace is absolutely huge, guys, right? Now, digital products is not their traditional things that Etsy sells, but has become more and more popular over the last few years, and actually has probably become one of the main places to sell digital products on here. So, you know, like you can see from the results, the results are massive. Like there's a lot of sellers here, but there's still a lot of people looking for digital products on Etsy. And you know, I've done a lot of videos on product research on Etsy and how to sell digital products, so do check those out as well. But you know, like, you know, they sell these all different types of digital products, right? There's so many different types, whether it be planners, digital stickers, guides, wedding invitations, faceless portraits, AI generated art, digital paper, digital note paper, which you can see here in the middle. Like I said, planners. There is so many budget templates. It goes on and on and on, you know, all-in-one bundles here on the right. There's so many, guys. It's like massive market. And the digital, if you like, the online digital product range has increased a lot more, because people are doing things, are getting away from paper, and are doing things online more and more so. And it can only grow, guys. It's the way forward. It's the future. So I think the quicker you can get onto the digital products and to start making that passive income by selling it, I think the better. And I think that, you know, the early adopters, the people are that get into it quite quickly or earlier on, are obviously the ones that will become more established and make money. So look, Etsy is a massive market, and I will always say that this is the place to actually start selling your digital products. This is like the benchmark, okay? But like I said, there are many different platforms to sell on, which is amazing. So you know, it's good that there's a lot of options. Now let's go to the next one. The next one we've got is Creative Market. And Creative Market is also quite a big marketplace, really, to sell many things from, as you can see, graphics. You can sell graphics. You can sell fonts, photos, illustrations, templates, mock-ups, all kinds of things, right? And I'm on a template, which is like, I've just typed in business card templates. So you could sell your business card templates on here quite easily. Now, in terms of like a volume for Creative Market, Creative Market is also quite big, although not as big as Etsy in terms of the visitors that it gets, but it has around about 5 million or so visitors per month, which is also quite a big amount. So I mean, although not in terms of like the scale of Etsy, it's still a fantastic place to, because don't forget, when you create your digital products, you just create it once. So you upload it on a marketplace, and then obviously the great idea is that you can actually just upload it again on another marketplace, and you don't have to do anything else. It's just registering, right? So it's fantastic, guys. So here you can see like example of business cards, templates, and obviously they do things like fonts. You can sell mock-ups. There's all kinds of things here, which is fantastic. Social media, branding, logos. Let's go to branding and logos. But it's fantastic. It's another really, really cool place to sell your products on. Look, you got, people love bundles, as you know. You got 80 logo bundles. You got all kinds of things going on here. So this is a really, really cool place to sell on as well. So I'd definitely say, like, if you're going on Etsy and you're selling your products, and definitely just kind of register and upload it on Creative Market as well. You can't lose, and in fact you probably gain, because it's a really good place. So yeah, that would be Creative Market, which is the next one on the list. So I'm going down, like, I'm not saying they're in order, but I'm just going to show you some of the good stuff, good places, right? The next one on my list, guys, is Creative Fabrica. I've mentioned Creative Fabrica before, and literally all I did was I just typed in coloring books, because you know that digital coloring books are becoming quite an interesting, trending a digital product to sell. So I just typed it in just to see what Creative Market have got. And Creative Fabrica. So Creative Fabricas, I really like Creative Fabrica. They've got so many different things on here. I like the way they present their stuff, their products. As again, I've just typed in, like I said, coloring books for adults, I think, and you can see that these are all the people that are selling these products. You can see their stores, if you like, or their listings, if you like, and you can see them all here. And like I said, it's really nice. It's really cool. It's really interesting. But yeah, I mean, like, again, they do things on here as well, like, whether it be reviews and so on as well. You can actually review the product as well. But yeah, guys, I mean, I think Creative Fabrica is a really good one. In terms of numbers as well, Creative Fabrica has a decent amount of visitors. There's around 7-8 million, something like that, million visitors a month. So you're gonna get a good, you're gonna get eyes on your product, right? Obviously choosing the right niche that you go into digital products, obviously looking at high demand, low competition ones. Like I said, I've shown a few videos on some of these as well, so do check them out on my playlist. But yeah, I think it's a really, really cool one to try and get into. Like I said, they got many different things here, teaching materials, patterns, product mock-ups, templates, fonts, kids crafts. They got a lot of crafts stuff as well on Creative Fabrica. But like some really cool, some amazing stuff here. I really like Creative Fabrica, so definitely do check it out. Okay. So that's the next one, the third one, right? Another one I think is a really, really cool one to check out. It's called Gumroad, and I think a lot of you probably know. Now Gumroad is really kind of stepped up in a way, and it's a really cool website where you can sort of sell pretty much anything, guys. Look, I mean, look, they're almost telling you sell anything. They're pretty much telling you. Sell anything, sell to anyone. And I really like Gumroad, man. Gumroad is a really cool one, and it's becoming also growing in popularity, to be fair. I mean, it's been around for a while, but they kind of worked on it, revamped it, and it's pretty cool. It's a really cool way of making, like, and look, that's what they're trying to do, promote that kind of passive income. So it's really good. And like I just typed in, like I said, like AI drawing. Now AI art is becoming bigger and bigger, right? Using things like Midjourney, ChatGPT to actually do your research. But actually creating designs and art is also something that is becoming more popular. So they've got many categories, obviously, that you can sell on. Loads of categories. Gumroad are quite open. It's not just like design. There's many things that they do and they sell. But I just kind of looked at AI products, AI design, and people have got their listings, and you can see that there's quite a lot of selling that does happen as well, depending on what niche you're in. Now Gumroad has a lot of visitors. They have about 20 million plus monthly visitors, which is fantastic, guys. So that you'll get eyes on your product, for sure, as long as, like I said, you're in the right niche. So if I just click on, say, logos, design logos, best-selling products, you can see people selling there, if you like, logo packages and so forth. But there's loads logo kits and so on. But like I said, when you go down to find what your niche is, what it is that you want to sell, then obviously do check out all the different categories they've got. But I'm sure you'll find a category that you want for digital products, which is here also. But do check it out. But I think Gumroad is a really good one. It's a lot of eyes on Gumroad. So definitely do check it out. As my next one. So let's have a look at something else. Now there's another one which is called Envato. Envato's it's got like a marketplace, if you like. It's and you can actually sell on here too. You can sell templates and that kind of thing. You can see e-commerce. There's different types of templates, designs, and so on. I haven't looked massively into Envato, but I do know that a lot of people do use Envato to sell their digital products. So I definitely recommend checking them out. Let me just look at the numbers. I mean, I don't know the exact figures, but they do have also, they're quite popular. And Envato also, they have many different sort of arms to their business, if you like. This is Envato, if you like, marketplace. But they also have something which is called Envato Elements. And Elements is a bit like for people. Let me just click on it. Let me see if I can. Yeah, Elements Envato. Again, people sometimes when they invite, if you like, designers and their products to sell on Envato Elements, which is also really, really good. And you can see, you just get a subscription and you can almost like sell your designs, graphic templates, icons, logos, whatever it is. And again, this is also really, really cool, really, really popular. And they do have some high quality like design assets that are sold here. So I definitely would suggest look at Envato Marketplace. I'm not sure if Envato Elements you can be eligible straight away. I think you need to go to the Envato Marketplace, and then obviously I think once you get some good sales and so on, then you may get invited on the Envato Elements. However, I'm not sure, they may have changed their sort of like system in terms of people selling on Elements. It might be just purely subscribing to it. But do check them out as well, because they're also really, really good, and they do get a lot of eyes onto this website. I'm going to go through a couple more for you, which also are pretty good. Not as big as the ones that I've just mentioned, but I'm going to show you these where you can also sell your digital products. So this one is called Design Bundles, right? Design Bundles is really cool, really nice. I really like it. I mean, it's no way near as big or in terms of visitors as the others that I've shown you. But it just gives you an example of the things that are sold. You got all these logo bundles, for example. They sell pretty much everything. They're pretty much a marketplace again. And you got all these kind of things that if you want to sell. You got your t-shirt mock-ups, social media templates. Let's just go to social media templates. All kind of Canva templates. Again, coloring pages. Pretty much all the things that are sold, for digital products are sold also here. Here you got your social media bundles. You got your wedding Instagram stories there. So, they're small. I mean, but they're growing. They are a growing website platform, and they are getting a lot of people coming here to sell their products on here now. So, it's only going to grow more. So I definitely suggest checking them out and registering, subscribing with them, and selling your product. Look, the more eyes you get on your products, the absolutely the better. So they do templates, all kinds of templates, customizable, social media, you got your Lightroom presets, graphics, all kinds of graphics that you want to sell, patterns, loads and loads of things, guys. It's really nice. I really like the website actually, and I do think it's definitely the way they've got their website as well. They will do well. And look, for example, you can see, look, in terms of sellers, so I've just typed in show social media, let's say templates. There's like 15,000 results. So there's a lot of sellers on here. So it tells you that there's a lot of eyes on this as well. And last but not least, I'm going to look at this one, which is called Creative Design Cuts. Design Cuts. Design Cuts is not a big website platform to sell on. However, it's another one that is kind of growing as well. And again, they sell all kinds of things, lots of things. Again, digital assets, digital download assets, all kinds, courses, all sorts of things, everything pretty much online. And you can see, look here, the courses that they do have. They have templates, which they do sell, graphics, which they sell. So when you look at templates, popular templates, you've got stickers, Instagram layouts, wedding invitations. And wedding invitations are something that are very popular, especially on Etsy. But they have bundles as well, so you could actually design your things, whether it be on Canva, whatever it is, and then you can sell your wedding invitation collection. You can see this one. These are all collections that are sold on here, so which are quite nice as well. So all it is about replicating your work. And look at this. I mean, in terms of wedding invitations, obviously the amount of products are way less than, let's say, Etsy. There's only 3,084 products like competition, so not so much competition, not so many listings, and it might be a good thing to actually come on here. Obviously the visitors are nowhere near as much, however it's still eyes on your product. So all it is really creating your product once and then uploading it to all of these marketplaces, which gives you much more exposure to the product and hopefully increase your sales across the marketplaces. So guys, I think I'm going to leave it there as some of the places that you can sell your digital products, some of the online websites, platforms. Hope you liked the video. If you did, please hit the like, subscribe, smash that notification bell. Don't forget to check out the videos after this as well. I've got a couple of videos that will come up, and please do check out the playlist if you are interested in creating digital products and looking at some interesting niches as well. So guys, take care, and I shall see you on the next one.